You know, sometimes losing everything makes you really realize what matters. Let me share something. So this book right here, for a while, it was the only photography book I owned. So a couple of years ago, I lost my entire photography library in a house fire, as well as everything else I owned and all my gear. And you know what? The experience actually taught me something valuable. It made me really think about, first of all, what was important in life and what my priorities were and what really mattered to me. It wasn't about material possessions. It was about family, health, and living for the moment, etc. But getting back to the actual topic of the video today, which is photography books, when I had to actually start replacing gear, I was quite particular in what I replaced. So after I did the obvious with furniture, clothes, etc., and my photography gear, I did want some books to replace because I'm a bit of a bookworm. And it's partly why I wanted to make this holiday gift guide, because books are quite important to me. And I don't usually do videos about buying stuff. As you know, that's not really my thing. But these books are different. They're the ones I chose to rebuild my collection with, and I've actually only got one so far. I'm hoping with this video my kids might see it and perhaps they'll give me the other four. So with Christmas coming up, I thought this might help some of you looking for meaningful gifts for photographers in your life. I'll show you the one I've replaced so far, which is this landscape photography book by Bauer and Hodano, and share some photos of the others that have earned their place in my library twice. And hey, if you're not into physical books, I'll tell you about an Audible membership option that's pretty awesome for photographers who like to learn while they edit or drive to locations. I've had so many messages asking about gift ideas for photographers. And honestly, these books I'm about to share aren't just random recommendation. These are the ones I specifically chose to rebuild my collection with. Each one earned its place twice, and that's about as strong as an endorsement as I can give you. Whether you're shopping for yourself or another photographer in your life, I've got some absolute game changers for you today. And here's something extra special. They're all available on Audible too, which is perfect for learning while you're out shooting or editing. Stay until the end because I'll share 3 specific ways to gift these, including a special Audible holiday deal that's pretty incredible. Now let's start with Landscape Photography by Mark Bauer and Ross Hodino. At just $16.45 for the paperback or $8.45 on Audible, this book's an absolute steal. What makes this book really special is how it breaks down complex landscape techniques into practical, actionable steps. It's perfect for anyone wanting to level up their landscape game. Mark will teach you to see the world through a whole new lens, and it's all about understanding light, composition and colour to create images that wow. If you're really looking to sharpen your eye and create more impactful images, this is a must read. Next up is Take Your Time, The Art and Craft of Long Exposure Photography by Joe Horton. At $43.70 for the paperback or $9.99 on Audible, it might seem a bit pricey, but trust me, the techniques you'll learn about creating those ethereal smooth water effects and dreamy landscapes are worth every penny. So when the weather is so bad that you can't get out to practice your photography, grab one of these books and use that time to expand your skills and get inspired for your next outdoor shoot. Trust me, with these resources, you'll be taking photos that you can be proud of. Now, here's where we take a different turn. The War of Art by Stephen Pressfield. At $15.95 for paperback or just $5.13 on Audible, this book isn't about camera settings or composition. It's about breaking through the barriers that hold you back creatively. Every photographer I know who's read this has had an aha moment that transformed their approach. Next, we have Advancing Your Photography by Mark Silber. For $43.34 in paperback or $8.45 on Audible, you're getting what feels like a personal masterclass in photography. And Silber has this amazing way of explaining complex concepts that just clicks, whether you're starting or looking to push your skills further. And the last 2 books are also by Pressfield, and they complement The War of Art perfectly. The Artist's Journey at $7.99 or $5.13 on Audible, and Turning Pro at $13.55 or $5.13 on Audible. These books are about the mindset of becoming a serious photographer. They help me transition from just taking pictures to creating actual art. And here's a holiday gift tip. Audible has all of these books and they're running a special right now. You get your first 3 months at just $8.45 per month, which is perfect for gifting. That's less than a couple of coffee stops. And after that, it goes to $16.45 monthly. But here's the thing, you can cancel anytime. What do you get? Each month you get one audio book of your choice, any of these photography books we've talked about, plus unlimited access to Audible originals, audiobooks and podcasts. You're not locked in, and every book you download is yours to keep, even if you cancel. So it's actually a win-win-win. And here's a pro tip for gifting. You can give someone a prepaid membership. I actually love doing this because the recipient gets to choose their own books. Pair it with a handwritten note suggesting these photography books we've discussed. Let me share the 3 perfect gift combinations. So for beginners, you can pair Lozano and Hodno's landscape photography with an Audible membership. For creative growth, the Pressfield trilogy, all 3 books together make an amazing gift. And for technical skills, combine Horton's long exposure book with Silber's Advancing Your Photography. And remember, all the links for these books, both physical and Audible versions, are in the description below. And remember, the holidays are about giving something meaningful, whether it's one of these books or an Audible membership. You're not just giving a gift. You're giving someone the tools to improve their craft. And isn't that what makes a truly great present? It's thoughtful and practical, and it won't hurt your budget. And I personally use my listening time for these photography books when I'm driving to shoot locations, driving anywhere, during editing sessions, walking and scouting locations, even during my post-processing work, especially at night when I'm getting a bit tired. So the link for this Audible offer is in the description below. And remember, all of these books we've discussed are available on Audible as well as a physical copy. So you can start building your photography audio library right away. I hope you enjoyed this brief, different video from me, and that you've got some really good ideas to buy yourself a Christmas present maybe, or give that special person in your life. So don't forget to click subscribe and ring that bell below. If you'd like to know why I'm telling photographers to skip Christmas this year, click this video, and it's not what you think.